Are you looking to protect your investments with some very nice frame guards? Here we have an assortment of frame guards ranging from CGC, new slabs and old slabs, to BGS, all protecting your investments. And we have different styles. Here is the open frame style. Here's also PSA as well, in the cool transitioning color. We offer solid colors. Here's PSA. They slide right in, pop in and out with ease, just like that. Ready? Boom, it's in. Same with these ones. Take them out. Each one is specific to size. Take it out. Same with BGS. Pops right out. Pop it right back in. And then we also have the nicer guards that come with their own stands. You can see here with PSA, pop the stand, stands right up, all on its own. We have more, comes in different colors. Another PSA, perfect, stands right up. Here is a CGC one in a sky blue color. Cards are not included. Stands right up. Turns out beautifully. Protect your investments wisely. A little frame guard. And you can also, they work for sideways. Just set up a little stand, and there you have it. Plenty of colors to choose from.